Welcome to Quest Academy Preschool. Our preschool program is focused on play-based, developmentally appropriate exploration of social and academic topics within a rich, engaging, and nurturing environment. Our program offers brief and playful academic experiences that focus on discovery, high-level thinking, and on creative problem-solving as opposed to rote learning. Our program allows all of our students to develop and explore interests in a variety of academic and non-academic areas. We provide our youngest students with a developmentally appropriate program, a nurturing staff, and a stimulating environment that is physically and emotionally safe. In serving the needs of gifted children, Quest Academy goes beyond other preschools by allowing the children to progress at their own, often accelerated rates of learning. By recognizing and accommodating the discrepancy between a gifted child's intellectual and socio-emotional development. By providing an appropriately differentiated curriculum designed to address the needs of gifted children and their unique characteristics, abilities, and interests, and providing a peer group of children with similar interests, skills, and intellectual capabilities.